The first country placed in the top 16 is...
Philippines. Bayan pa.
Costa Rica.
Speaker enjoys cooking Costa Rican cuisine. She'd like to eventually open up her own restaurant.
Costa Rica!
16 ang kukunin, 16.
16 ang kukunin.
15 na lang.
16 tapos.
Alam yung...
She was the art director for
Sana walang nag-drum po. Ay, sana pala po ang nag-drum.
right?
14 lang.
Welcome to the party.
Philippines.
Vietnam.
China.
Si Mikay.
Okay, now not to believe China is a professional model. She's been helping
Oo nga, si Mikay!
miniature lead because
Oh, Mikay.
Jimmy.
You can finally breathe.
Philippines.
Ayun ang Aruba. Negra. Bakit negra
Ecuador.
Ecuador.
Sa Ecuador, magaganda.
Ecuador. Borador.
together,
Labrador.
please, Ecuador started
Sana,
Emperador.
dapat kasi puro negra na lang ang kunin para panalo na. Sure.
Suruin. Anti-drug.
Well, 4 to go. This is your moment to shine.
Ayun na.
Great Britain.
Great Great
history literature, and she told you
Great Britain.
in her genes.
Great
It makes sense because
Great
both
Britain.
are competitive in athletics.
Record record.
Marathon runners din siya, oh.
You've been dreaming of this for a long time.
Great
Hold it.
Hold it. Pangilan na.
Indonesia.
Philippines.
Indonesia.
Tumama ako! Tumama ako! Indonesia. Tumama ako.
Pretty cool.
Gago, di pa.
Kindergarten
Making
teacher.
your next move.
Wala, ilan na lang.
Venezuela.
Walang negrang pumasok.
To get your
Antay ka.
Nakaliyot. Itim ko lang damit.
Joining this exclusive group now is
Philippines.
Hindi pa eh.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican
Ayan, negra to.
So check this
Ay,
out. She's
ala,
interned
yun,
as a nurse
yun.
2 years ago. She was very hands-on at the
Gusto ka
hospital
naman.
and once helped deliver a baby.
Going
Yeah,
further
ano?
towards the crown is
Philippines.
Ilan na ba?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Cool story.
Puerto Rico.
Kulay itim tayo, no? Kulay itim.
Puerto Rico.
Record. Record.
Guess who's getting a chance of a lifetime?
Asan na?
Asan ang Philippines?
Spain.
Ay, si Spain.
Ilan na lang?
Considers herself an artistic
Ilan
person.
na ba?
She dreams of becoming an actress.
Tagal, Philippines.
We have this spot reserved for
Or Philippines.
USA.
Oh my God.
At just
Ayan na sila.
working a full-time job while earning her finance degree.
Get ready to take your place in the spotlight.
Spotlight.
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua.
She would like to be a producer for a television show, so who knows, maybe I'll be hosting her one day.
TV producer.
Gusto ko break
Only
record.
4 places left with
Uy, 4 na lang.
Baka huli tayo.
Switzerland.
There
Switzerland.
was a lifesaver who once told a drowned girl out of a pool.
Step up to the plate.
Asan ang Philippines?
India.
Oh my God.
Huli.
India is
Dalawa
an
na
engineer by
lang.
trade.
Ilan na lang?
Philippines.
Beauty and brains.
Philippines.
Tragas.
Just 2 places
Kinakabahan
to go,
ako.
and we're
Dalawa na
calling
Huli pa siya.
Brazil.
Ah!
This month we said dance to samba as part of the shoot in our home city.
Wala na.
Okay, we have one extra spot. Millions of you voted on this through the High Five Games fan vote. High Five was also partnered with Miss Universe to create Crowning Moment, the first ever Miss Universe social media game, which launched this week. Be sure to check it out. But right now, for the final spot, the fans picked
Ariela Arida. Philippines.